I've been telling you for years how awesome Vala's Pumpkin Patch is. The place has been growing strong for 41 years, and it's always getting bigger and better. But I just realized that in all the videos I've shown you, they've all been in the daytime. When the sun goes down, Vala's takes on a whole new look. Hey, thanks for watching Backroads Tourist today. I'm Jeff, and today's video takes place at night at Vala's Pumpkin Patch in Gretna, Nebraska. The fun doesn't stop when the sun sets. In fact, there's some things you can only experience in the dark. One of my favorite places is fairly new. A few years ago, they took out the petting zoo area and they replaced it with this magical walkway. Now, not only do you have these amazing lights to walk through, but there's also fog machines that give this area a mystical, magical vibe. And if you listen carefully, you're also going to hear some soft music in the background. And here's an Easter egg for you. If you walk on this pathway and you look at the second story of the haunted farmhouse, you're going to see somebody looking back at you. Most people don't notice this, but now you know what to look for. Some areas are pretty well lit, while others are a little bit darker, and some, like the walkway into the cider mill area, have mood lighting to lead the way. And speaking of the cider mill area, that's where you want to be on Friday nights in September for the fireworks show. The fireworks go off at 9 o'clock every Friday in September, weather permitting, of course, and they don't skimp on the fireworks either. They've hired a professional pyrotechnic team to come in and put on a show for you. But even if you miss the fireworks, there's still something amazing to see. Vala's is putting on a drone show. I got to catch one of the first ones, and it was pretty amazing. They have a fleet of about 175 drones, but they didn't use all of them for this show. Now, I was told that one of the best places to watch the drone show was behind the barrel barn, which is right in the same area as the cider mill. So I grabbed a glass of cider and I headed back there. And there weren't many people there, so I grabbed one of these chairs to sit in and watch the show. And my source was right. This really is a great place to enjoy the drones. It was pretty cool. I think one of my favorite things was trying to guess what the drones were going to be morphing into next. The drone show is every Tuesday through Saturday night, 15 minutes before closing time. And like I said, it's right there in the cider mill area. Don't forget to give this video a like and then subscribe to the Backroads Tourist channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Hey, it's sort of been my tradition to post some visits to spooky places during the month of October leading up to Halloween, and this year is no exception. So if you love Halloween, you won't want to miss those videos. Thanks again for watching. I'm Jeff, and I'll see you on the Backroads.